Imagine being able to operate your excavator like you would your car, with some familiar creature comforts thrown in for good measure. Features like an engine start-stop button, air conditioning, Bluetooth radio, USB ports and cruise control, for example. Well, with Caterpillar's next-generation mini excavators, you can. Recently, at the National Construction Equipment Convention in Sydney, Caterpillar lifted the covers of its newest 1 to 2 ton digger range with a suite of features never before seen in its class, according to the company.
For the last 5 years, we've worked with customers all over the world to try to understand, what do they need, what do they want in a mini excavator. The themes that we heard were really boiled down to 3 main themes. Customers would love the experience of that operator to be better. The second thing is they love for the performance of the machine to be even better than what it is today. And the third thing is make it as easy as possible to service so their owning and operating costs stay low. On a nice day in Australia, it can get pretty toasty, so we're going to offer the first sealed and pressurized cab with air conditioning. So no one else in this size class has AC, and it works really well. We're excited about also our new LCD monitor. So if you look over here, this is our brand new LCD monitor. It's color display. You can manage it with the shortcut keys across the bottom, or you can even use a jog dial, similar to what you'd have here in a car.
Understanding that operators work with and on their phones 24/7, CAT has designed the monitor to be able to sync with operators' phones seamlessly, so they can make or take calls and listen to their playlists via the monitor while they work. On its next-gen mini excavators, CAT has also introduced a push-button feature to fire up or shut down the machine. Key optional.
We've got a new way of operating this machine. So today, when operators are traveling across a job site, in any excavator, they're using these travel levers. They're hunched over and they're using the travel levers to get from point A to point B. We've got an industry-first feature where I can push this yellow button right here, and if I push that button, suddenly the travel controls will switch over. It's going to ask me if I want to do it. The green light comes on, and suddenly I'm able to travel with the machine with my left joystick. So now I can sit back, I can relax, I don't need to be using these travel levers, and I can move around the job site just using my joystick. Adds a level of comfort that's never been seen on a mini excavator.
The new cruise control feature further adds to the comfort factor.
So just like your car, when you're going at the speed that you would like, you click a trigger and you can let go of the joystick and it will continue to travel across the job site.
Caterpillar has also improved machine performance by 20% on the mini excavators. Another feature is the ease of maintenance on the new machines.
On our new machine, all of your daily maintenance is going to be able to be done at ground level. So you got the side panels that will open here. This will get you access to all your daily maintenance, very easy to access. But I want to show you something that's brand new. If you've got a major service and you want to get really good access to the machine, this is our brand new tilt cab. So on both our canopy and our cab models, take these 2 front panels off, undo the bolt here, and just like on our skid steer, one person can very easily lift this cab up, and now you've got full access underneath the cab. So for someone who's servicing this machine and doing major services, this is going to reduce the amount of time that it takes to repair, and we believe it's going to reduce owning and operating costs when you consider all the things we've got with serviceability by 15%. So we're excited about the new next-gen mini excavators. Reach out to your local CAT dealer and we'd be happy to talk to you about it.